This is ZNC EDM, that is numerically controlling Z-axis electrical discharge machining. So this electrical discharge machine, this has three parts. The first part is the transformer stabilizer. This is a machine controller unit where we can program, we can set the settings of various cutting parameters like current, voltage, pulse on time, pulse off time. Here we can check, and how much machining we have to do in the Z-axis, like how much depth we want, that also we can set as per the setting here. So that comes here, and then this is the, again, pendant is there for controlling the movement, that is up down movement for the Z-axis. So this is the main on off switch is there, and this is for the emergency lock system. The moment we press, in case of any eventuality, and just it press and the machine is locked. So this way we can control and we can have a safe operation. Now third part is there, this is the machining unit is there. So machining unit here as a Z-axis, and this is the tool supposed to be a conductive tool, and this is a copper, electrolytic copper tool is here, and the workpiece is placed here, and this is for the, again, injecting EDM oil. So that bottom of the cutting tool workpiece, it has to be immersed in the oil. So then only that machining takes place, that is through the spark. So this as a tank where that EDM oil is stored, and there is a pump circulation mechanism. From the pump, that oil is taken out with the help of a motor. It goes to the filters, and after the filter it comes to the machining zone. So this way, once that all the workpiece and that tool is immersed in the dielectric fluid, and then we can put the sparking on, and the machining takes place with the help of a cutting tool and the workpiece. So this electrical spark is generated because, and there is every time there is a movement, that cutting tool, that is the electrode which comes downward, and then it goes back, that is up and down movement is there, and because of that spark is generated, and here that spark is causing melting of a material. The material is melted and washed away by the dielectric fluid, and further that for the exact setting of a workpiece along with the tool, we have a X and Y movement. So this X and Y movement are done manually. We can do manually, we can change the position of a X and Y direction. So this way we can do, and if there is a, so that this has to be in the lock position. Here we can even open, and we can have some extra attachment also for making some independent circulation system, that also we can devise. So this has to be closed for containing fluid. So this way we can perform die sinking operation. Die sinking means the dies are made for use for the different purposes, and whatever the shape of the bottom of the tool is there, same shape is going to make on the workpiece. That is the basic purpose of a die sinking EDM. So in this case, whereas the wire cutting is for the cutting purpose, but this die sinking is giving the impression, whatever the impression at the bottom. Suppose this is the impression at the bottom, it is circular, and the same impression will form on the workpiece. So this is the workpiece, and this we can see that this machining is achieved because of this electrode, and a spark is generated between these two, and then that melting of a material occurs, and thereby the material is removed from the workpiece to get the exact shape. Okay, so other we can change the parameters, we can do, and we can get the different types of a product. So thank you very much. Okay.